Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 16 Pro. For that we will need the buttons form. So we will need the side button and the volume up button. Press these both buttons now just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you see the preview, and if you tap now on the preview, you have the chance as well to edit the screenshot. Maybe if you want to crop a part of the screenshot, you can do it here. What is very useful, by the way, if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. And if you want, you can also draw something inside here. If you don't have the pens, by the way, you can tap here to let them appear. And then you choose one of these pens and then you can draw something inside or highlight something as you want. After you can share this edited part here, or on done, you can send it to your gallery. So choose first the place where you want to have it. I want to have it at the photos. And yeah, that's it. And where to find the screenshots? In my case, it is at the photos, what I prefer. And yeah, here it is. By the way, if you scroll down a bit here, then you will have also here the pin collections, and here you will find an own folder only for your screenshots, what is pretty nice and much better for the overview. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.